Hey guys, it's Sonny from Club RC Fuji with quick tech tip. For some of you guys may notice that in your shift knob assemblies you have a little bit of slight play. This is actually normal. All the cars come out of the factory like this, but if you're not a big fan of that, you can tighten up the shift knob assemblies. I'll show you how to do that real quick. First thing you want to do is grab the collar of the leather shift boot, pull that down. Then take the shift knob assembly and turn it 360 degrees clockwise, and that'll tighten up the shift knob onto the shaft assembly. Now, full warning, the threads inside the shift knob are plastic, so you really only want to do this once. Definitely don't want to turn it any further and run the risk of stripping the threads on the shift knob. But anyways, once you're done, grab the collar of the shift boot, snap that back on, and you're all set. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thanks again for watching.